Test for ammonium, zero group reagent, zero group radical. This is the ammonia solution. To this I am going to add Nestle reagent. Color must come brown. It is K2HgI4. Brown precipitate will come. Brown color is clearly visible on the wall of the test tube, inner test tube, as well as on the upper layer or even at the bottom of the test tube. Is that clear? आ रहा है brown color दिख रहा है? ठीक है. Test पर this is brown color is called as Millen's base iodine. Basic radicals. Group 1 original salt plus dilute HCl. If you are getting white precipitate, it means the first group is present. First group contains silver, lead, mercurous. Ag plus gives AgCl, Pb plus 2 gives PbCl2, and Hg2 plus 2 gives Hg2Cl2. Silver chloride, lead chloride, and mercurous chloride. Formula you must take care about. Silver can be tested. It will change aldehyde RCHO to the acid, and itself Ag plus can change to silver, which is black in color, that is metallic silver due to solar reaction, or silver mirror may also be obtained due to the fast reaction. Another test, Ag plus can combine with the potassium iodide Ki that form yellow precipitate of AgI. Ag plus combines with the potassium chromate that gives Ag2CrO4, which is brick red color. Ag2CrO4 is brick red in color. Na2H2O3, sodium thiosulfate, is also used to detect the presence of silver ion that forms a white precipitate of Ag2H2O3 silver thiosulfate. You know, Na2H2O3 is called as hypo. So hypo turns white, which will turn after some time black due to the change of silver thiosulfate to the silver sulfide Ag2S. Sulfides are normally black in color. Silver ion can also be detected when you treat with the aqueous sodium hydroxide NaOH. You get instant black color due to the formation of Ag2O or AgOH. Other test of ammonium that combines with the NH4OH and it forms tolerance reagent, which is ammonia soluble. Its name is diamine silver 1 cation, formula AgNH3 twice plus 1 charge. Test for lead. Lead will give white precipitate of PbCl2 in presence of HCl. That PbCl2 is hot water soluble. Other test of lead, it can give white precipitate of barium lead sulfate when you treat it with the sulfuric acid or any sulfate. That lead sulfate PbSO4 is only soluble in ammonium acetate, which is PbCH3COO twice. Pb++ will also combine with the sulfide and that form PbS, which is black precipitate. Lead forms sulfide PbS black sulfide, PbS lead sulfide black precipitate. There is another very interesting test, very nice test. No one can forget this throughout the life. Lead can combine with the iodide, form PbI2. That lead iodide PbI2, which is yellow in color, if you boil that, it is soluble. This, when you allow to cool slowly, then golden yellow particles will come shining like the stars are in the sky. This is called as mini galaxy experiment. लगता है कि कोई छोटा कोई तारामंडल जिससे कोई गैलेक्सी कोई हो वह सामने आपको दिखाई पड़ता है, लाइक मिनी प्लेनेटेरियम. यह बहुत ही बढ़िया टेस्ट है. प्लीज ट्राई टू सी द टेस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म. टू टेस्ट इट, its solution is made, water is being added here, it becomes soluble. To this I will add potassium iodide and dark yellow color will come. dark yellow color will come, which will be allowed to boil, but there is no tripod stand. Anyway, we'll see that. Ki is being added, potassium iodide. It will become dark yellow color will come. Both are colorless. It will become dark yellow color due to formation of PbI2. Burning yellow color will appear. No one can miss it. Can you see? Dark yellow color. PbI2, potassium iodide. Dark yellow color. Its next test is very interesting. Simply upon boiling and cooling, like twinkle star appears in the sky, it will also have the same effect. It's not working. See the shining gold crystals. Can you see the shining particles are appearing slowly and slowly? Are you able to see? Shining crystals will appear, twinkling star will appear. And intensity will increase. Particle will appear and disappear. Twinkle star will come. और था पास लाए क्या बोलिए? It can be cooled down, no problem. Can you see it from there? It is being cooled in water jacket. The shining color intensifies. The test of lead Pb++ combines with the potassium chromate K2CrO4 that forms a PbCrO4 yellow precipitate. Test of mercurous, it gives a white precipitate of Hg2Cl2 which becomes black in ammonium hydroxide due to the deposition of mercury. The reaction is Hg2Cl2 plus NH4OH goes to HgNH2Cl plus Hg, which is the black color. Now answer the following questions. There is yellow precipitate. You have to identify which one is that. That when boiled in water it dissolves, and upon cooling it comes in the form of golden yellow particles. What is that yellow precipitate? It's a very simple question, and since we have seen the experiment, you will surely answer this. और आप IITian बनने के लिए या PMT क्वालिफाई करने के लिए असली बात है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, और मैं देख रहा हूं कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हो रहा है और आप IITian बनोगे. Second question, how to differentiate PbCl2, AgCl, Hg2Cl2? इसका आंसर मैं देता हूं. PbCl2, you take the actually PbCl2, AgCl and Hg2Cl2, all the three are white precipitate. So first you boil the precipitate in water. If the precipitate is hot water soluble, it is PbCl2. If it is insoluble, then it may be either AgCl or Hg2Cl2. Then the precipitate you treat with the ammonia. If it is ammonia soluble, it is AgCl. If it is insoluble and become black, it is Hg2Cl2, as we have seen the reaction in the last transparency sheet. Third question, lead sulfate is soluble in only one substance. What is that? Fourth question, silver iodide is which colored and it dissolves or does not dissolve in NH4OH? Answer this. Fifth question, there is a big red colored compound. What is that compound? Second, A group, it's lengthy group. It contains PbS, lead sulfide, black in color, copper sulfide, copper 2 sulfide, black in color, bismuth sulfide, Bi2S3, black in color, HgS, mercuric sulfide, black in color, CdS, cadmium sulfide, yellow in color. All these are yellow ammonium sulfide insoluble. Yellow ammonium sulfide is nothing but the some extra amount of sulfur which is dissolved in ammonium sulfide. It's also called as ammonium polysulfide. Second, B group contains arsenious, antimonious and tin, and they come in the different color precipitates. Arsenious sulfide comes in the yellow precipitate, yellow color form. Antimony comes in the orange color, beautiful color orange is obtained, and tin sulfide SNS is sometime brown, sometime black, sometime yellow, color is not certain. All these three are yellow ammonium sulfide soluble. For example, arsenious dissolves in YAS, yellow ammonium sulfide, due to formation of tetrathioarsenate. Formula is NH4 thrice AsS4. Test of mercuric, that gives a black precipitate HgS, which is aquaregia soluble. It becomes colorless soluble due to formation of HgCl2. This can be reduced by well-known reducing agent SnCl2, which is stannous chloride, and that changes to Hg2Cl2, which is white in color. And then you can perform the test for the first group, that is when you treat this white precipitate Hg2Cl2 with the ammonium hydroxide, that will turn black due to deposition of mercury along with the formation of HgNH2Cl. All these tests I am telling you only because of the fact that the 70% portion is asked from these patterns, these questions. Test for copper plus plus, it is generally in blue color in the presence of sulfuric acid, which changes to CuSO4, which is blue vitriol CuSO4. When you treat that blue vitriol copper sulfate with the K4FeCN6 potassium ferrocyanide, it becomes a chocolate brown color Cu2FeCN6. This is the first artificial semi-permeable membrane prepared, that is SPM. Other test of copper plus 2 cupric ion is treat that with the Ki. It gives a white precipitate of cuprous iodide CuI, or it may be written as the dimer form Cu2I2 plus iodine. Also trace of Ki3 may also obtained. So the orange red solution is obtained due to deposition of either iodine or Ki3, potassium triiodide Ki3. Test for copper. Copper sulfate, blue vitriol. To one test tube I will add ammonia, it will become dark blue, and to other I will SDFI and then add potassium ferrocyanide, that becomes chocolate brown color. To one I am adding ammonia, it will become dark blue color. Ammonium hydroxide, it must be somewhere here. It must become dark blue.
Please see it here. It becomes dark blue in color. Dark blue. Can you see? Dark blue color. That is the copper NS3 4 plus 2 tetramine copper 2 cation. This dark blue color. This will, to this solution I can also proceed for the K4PCN6, or I can start from the separate fresh one. I will repeat the test. This is the original sample solution of copper sulfate blue butyriol. To this I will add acetic acid, first of all acetic acid to SD5, and then add K4FeCl6. It will become which one? This I know where it is that. To SD5 few drops, and then I will add potassium ferrocyanide. It becomes chocolate brown color, Cadbury's color. Please see, Cadbury's color. Should the chemicals be pure? Yes. Can you see? Cadbury's color. Can you see here? Chocolate brown color. Is it coming? आ रहा है? Chocolate brown color. But don't try to eat this. This is the first artificial semi-permeable membrane made so far. Copper can further be tested. When you treat that with the ammonium hydroxide, ammonia, that changes to copper hydroxide, bluish white precipitate, which will become deep blue color when you treat that with the excess of ammonia due to formation of CuNH3 4 plus 2 tetramine copper 2 cation. Copper can also be tested with the hypo Na2H2O3 copper thiosulfates form, which is purple color. That will become fed up, become colorless due to the formation of a complex of copper with the thiosulfate, which is need not to memorize, but if you can understand it's better, Na4Cu6H2O3 इसको याद करने के लिए आप ये समझ सकते हैं कि सोडियम 4 copper 6 thiosulfate 5 465, here state of copper is +1, तो 465 आप याद कर सकते हैं 465 465, or it is Na3CuH2O3 whole twice. Need not memorize, don't try to memorize, only you try to learn. ये देखो CD आपको इसलिए बनाया गया है कि इसको आप 3-4 बार देखिएगा. 3-4 बार देखते देखते आपको अपने आप ही इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होगा, और फिर जिस पोर्शन पर बाकी लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री लोग पढ़ते नहीं है, इसी से इस पोर्शन पे बच्चे उसमें फ्लॉप करते हैं. लोग इन जो सीडी को देख रहे हो, यह तुमको बिना एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट किए 2-4 बार भी अगर सीडी देख लोगे तो तुमको ये दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. क्योंकि मैं प्रैक्टिकल करते सामने दिखा भी रहा हूं और सामने इसमें कलर लिखा भी हुआ है, तो तुमको तुम्हारे दिमाग में ज्यादा लोड पड़ेगा ही नहीं. यही तरीका है. और तुम घबराओ मत, तुम लोग आईटीएन बनोगे, और क्योंकि तुम लोग को आईटीएन बन करके काफी अमीर बनना है. हमारा असली उद्देश्य है तुमको मैं अमीर बनाने में तुम्हारी मैं सहायता करूं. That is the nitrogen family. नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी, बिस्मथ. यहां पर जो टर्म सजा देखिए कि यार Sb इज एंटीमनी एंड Bi बिस्मथ. इसको याद करने के लिए बहुत पहले हमने बताया था बच्चों को कि नॉट पॉपुलर एज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ बिहार. नॉट पॉपुलर एज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ बिहार. स्वाभाविक सी बात है, बिहार का जो स्टेट बैंक है उससे ज्यादा लोकप्रिय बैंक कोई है ही नहीं. वेयर मनी कैन गो इन, कैन नॉट कम आउटसाइड. भाई ऑब्वियसली वास्तव में बिहार को इतना ज्यादा सम्मान दिया हमारे गुरुजी लालू यादव ने, और हमारे गुरु माँ रबड़ी देवी ने इतना नाम कर दिया. भाई साहब देश विदेश लोग आते हैं देखने के लिए कि आखिर बिहार से जगह है कहां पर, ऐसा कौन सा पर है. यानी कि पर्यटक केंद्र बन गया पर ये. इतना ज्यादा विदेशी मुद्रा आजकल आ रहा है, केवल बिहार में लोग देखने आते हैं. यह बात है कि जब देख के आते हैं तो दोबारा बेचारे किराया भाड़ा मांग के जाते हैं, क्योंकि कुछ बचता है नहीं पर ये. आर्सेनियस, टेस्ट ऑफ आर्सेनियस AS+3.
that you treat with the HNO3 nitric acid, and then you treat with the ammonium molybdate NH4 twice MOO4. See the top reaction, that gives yellow precipitate of ammonium arsenomolybdate NH4 thrice SO4.12 MOO3. If you try the similar type of precipitate we have obtained in the case of phosphate, there in the case of AS it was only phosphorus. The formula there was NH4 thrice PO4.12 MOO3. यहाँ जो फॉर्मूला है इसमें थोड़ा चेंज है, फास्फोरस की जगह पर यहाँ पर आर्सेनिक लगा हुआ है, तो फॉर्मूला बन गया NH4 thrice SO4.12 MOO3 अमोनियम आर्सेनोमॉल्बडेट, which is canary yellow, burning yellow color. Cadmium, test for cadmium, when you treat with the H2S it gives a yellow precipitate of the CDS. Cadmium also gives a white precipitate of cadmium hydroxide. When cadmium is treated with the sodium hydroxide NaOH, that gives a white precipitate of cadmium hydroxide CdOH twice. Antimony plus 3 gives a orange precipitate with the H2S. Formula is Sb2S3, which will dissolve in concentrate hydrochloric acid conc HCl, forming antimony chloride SbCl3. And if you to that SbCl3 solution, if you add water, means upon dilution, heavy white precipitate SbOCl antimony oxychloride is obtained. When to that you pass again H2S gas, orange color is re-obtained. देखो ये सब जो कलर वगैरह आ रहा है इसको एट ए स्ट्रेच रटने का प्रयास मत करना। इसको जो मैं बोल रहा हूं इसको तुम 2-3 बार, एक ही दिन में नहीं 2-3 बार आराम से, 2 दिन बाद, 4 दिन बाद, 6 दिन बाद में उसको तुम एक बार केवल सुनना। 2-3 बार अगर तुम सुन लोगे तो यह तुम्हारे दिमाग में अपने आप बैठ ही जाएगा। इसको याद करने का ज्यादा टेंशन लेना ही नहीं, अपने आप वो याद हो ही जाएगा। तुम लोग का माइंड पावर बड़ा ही स्ट्रांग है। आर्सेनिक again will not dissolve. Without silt will not perform, na? Only HCl. It will dissolve. It will dissolve, remain colorless. Don't worry, color will not right now appear. It will make it dissolve. It will make it dissolve. From arsenic chloride. एंटीमनी भी निकाल रखिएगा, उसको भी करना, उसको भी। Color will become yellow. Can you see here now? The dark yellow color will certainly now appear. You see here, dark yellow color will appear. Dark yellow precipitate. Instead of H2S, we are going to use here sodium sulfide. Since we are doing a separate test, no need to take care about the ionization of sulfide. Cadmium, can you give me cadmium? Test for cadmium. Test for cadmium. This is cadmium. Cadmium is also a very costly chemical. It is also found in our biological system. Cadmium acetate. To this I will add sodium sulfide. Color must appear yellow. That is the cadmium sulfide. Yellow color must appear. It is sensitive test, even one drop will do the work. Can you see? Yellow color has come. This is orange yellow color.
cadmium sulfide, orange yellow color. Orange yellow color. Be ready to see the beautiful orange color. Mr. Pandey, can you see? It has become now. Certainly, orange color will come. Orange color means like that color, Mr. Mathani's color. Can you see? Certainly, the orange, the real orange color will come. This color now you will certainly not forget. कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. ये देखिए, जरा जरा जाओ. Please come here. Come on here. See here. Oh, don't. The color resembles orange. That is dark. This is the real orange. That is not. This is reddish orange. Okay, it's all right. This is the test.
क्वेश्चंस जैसा तुम पहले करते आ रहे हो कि अब तुम टीवी को अपने कुछ देर के लिए पॉज कर देना, इसको स्टैंड स्टिल में लगा देना और फिर क्वेश्चन के बारे में देख लो और तब फिर आंसर करना. आंसर द कलर, असाइन द कलर फॉर फर्स्ट AS2S3, CDS, BI2S3, HGS, CUS, SB2S3, CuS2O3, SbOCl, CuNH3 4+2, Cu2FeCN6, KBiI4, Hg2Cl2, CdOH twice. इसमें जो KBiI4 देख रहे हैं यह लेटेस्ट IIT क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि बिस्मथ सल्फाइड combines with the potassium iodide that initially forms a BiI3 bismuth iodide black precipitate which will dissolve in excess of Ki forming KBiI4, that is potassium tetraiodobismuthate, which is purple in color.